hard to see. The fog's rolling in.
It's a good time to slow down. Lots of accidents happen because people don't adjust their driving to adverse conditions. If you can't see 100 feet in front of you, it's not safe to drive faster than 30 miles per hour. When the roads are wet or slippery, increase your following distance too. At night, even with clear visibility, slow down a little and keep in mind that pedestrians and some vehicles, like motorcycles, are harder to see. Don't look directly into oncoming headlights. It helps your vision to look toward the right edge of your lane. Sometimes the terrain creates a poor visibility situation. Steep hills and sharp curves are dangerous. You just don't know what's coming around the bend. Driving just a little slower gives you the ability to take evasive action if you need to.